What up? We just reached my boy Drew house. Got the SI in the back. Sorry for the loud ass bike though. But check it out. This is the B16 that we finna be putting in this EG hatch. EG hatch is back there with the Accord. So we about to get all this worked out. You know, this is my first time seeing the engine right along with y'all. So as you can see, got a log manifold like a TO3, TO4 turbocharger. Maybe like a generic, oh no, that's a real Tower wastegate. And yeah, about to get cracking on this motherfucker. Alright, now so far we got the B16 right here. About to take the turbo off. Already got the harness off, it's over there. And then we're gonna get everything situated and get it cleaned up. Get all this type of RTV shit off. This engine was owned by 2 other owners, but one owner, which is his homie, basically got the car from another owner, and this is all his work. So we're about to fix all this shit, pull all the new gaskets on, and when you see this engine again, it's gonna look totally fucking different. And now you're right here, we just freshen the motor up. We're going all gaskets first. We have the gasket off of this orange RTV all across the top. We're gonna clean all that up. Got all that shit off. Now we got the charcoal can off on the back. And I'm just cleaning this up. You know, all the bullshit from the last owner. When the, this engine comes out of fresh out of a 99 SI. And I'm just getting all this stuff out, getting everything cool, and then we're gonna completely clean the engine. Hey guys, now here is the white EG hatch. We will be pulling the engine out today. Got the SIs on it, brand new fenders, dingy headlights. Is it open? Yeah, it is open. Cool, but yeah, pretty much straight. This will be turbo B16, roughly pushing around maybe like 380, 370 to the wheels in it. Yeah, so we about to tackle this, and I will be filming, you know, roughly here and there, and I'll catch you guys back in a little bit. So we're about to tackle this. Actually raise it up, raise the hood. Single cam that we're about to pull out, and catch you guys in a little bit. All right guys, I'm be back. Had a little mishap, but finally got the harness out. Now we finna jack the car up, take out the axles, motor mounts, and yeah, pretty much that's about it. Already got the coolant drain, transmission stand on it, so you know we just lifting everything out at once. And yeah, axles and the motor mount should be, you know, piece of cake, and then we can pull this bad boy out. All right guys, we back. I'm just waiting on my boy. This nigga don't got a cherry picker, so we might have to, well, most likely, if we can't get one from the homie Chris, we gonna be lifting a chassis up and pulling the engine from under the car. That's how we're gonna do it. So we just gotta, this is where we at right now. Coolant lines, clutch line, all the sensors, the whole harness is over there. Fuel line, so we just got a bitch pin, axles, and a mountain. We can pull this bad boy right out the car. Let me show y'all another shot of the B16. Walking around here. I'm in Corona, California right now. Turbocharger, where we at? Wait. That's the turbo right there. Sexy. Sexy bitch, Drew. Yeah, I got a B16. So for we gonna we're just gonna raise it up, right? Yeah. And then yeah, we just gotta hit the axles, and that's about it, really. Axles, bitch pan, and we pull it out. So what's up with Chris? You gonna let us use the...
He's with Xavier still, so we just have to wait. Yeah. Or we just drop it from the bottom.
Yeah, we can do that easy. Get all the way up, push all the way down. Yeah. So let's jack it up. I'll get to the bitch pan, knock that shit out, and the wheels is already loose. So we'll be back. That's where we'll be at.
Hopefully, we're gonna run it with the
That'd be cool.
We're gonna see how far he beats me, bud.
You getting the heads up with the Camaro?
He's gonna see how far he beats me, bud.
Man, I should was back in fucking second gear.
Yeah, so we got everything loose.
I remember that bitch.
We're on T-bracket mount. Well, the mount's still there, but T-bracket is loose. That's out. Now we just basically gotta do the axles. Calling AutoZone right now for the... What size nut is that?
I think 32.
Maybe 32, 30, whatever. For the axle nut. Take the axles out and drop it down. That'll be it though. No, that can just swing over. Alright, so now we've been bushing around for a minute. We have to get the, what's that, 32 millimeter? Once we get all that done, and
What is that, man?
he's gonna do this side, I'm gonna do the other side, and yeah, we can drop it down. The motor's ready to be put, so it's real easy. And I thought we was gonna be able to get the V16 in today, but you know I got the mount, so we're gonna wait a little bit, and next video will be, see these motherfuckers? But yeah, we be putting the V16 in next video. So I'll catch you guys in a little bit. Drew, how you know what Tasty Weeks tasted like? Should I lift it up?
Yeah, it's already popped.
There we go. Axles out. Now we can finally drop this bad boy. That'd be a dope thumbnail.
No, you good?
Alright, so we back. Finally got the single cam out. We was bushing most of the time. And single cam sitting right there. This is how the bay look right now. So we gotta clean it, get the B series mounts, and also clean the B series. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Stop. All right, let's go check out what he got in the garage, because my homie said he just got something else, so I don't know. We was over here doing this, so let's go check this out. Oh shit. I'm out. Burger's about to bite me. Oh, we got some. Oh, there we go. Spiracles too. This is exactly what I want. Mind you, these parts just came. Ooh. Rear control one. Rear camber kit. Nice. Rear low control arms. Nice. Real nice. I wasn't expecting these, so. I wasn't expecting these. At first I didn't even know what the fuck these were. But nice. So we're pretty much done for today. That's the B16 right there. Yeah, I'll be going in soon. As soon as we get the mounts, we're gonna freshen that up. Hey Drew, you wanna clean this right now or no? No? Alright then, cool. So that's it. I'm gonna wrap this up, and next video, most likely we might be cleaning this, and if he don't do it before I do it, but we'll be cleaning the B series and then putting that bad boy in there. So catch you guys in the next one. Rate, comment, subscribe, and peace.